Let's draw a map.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's begin with a line. We'll go up, and then down, and then up again. Then we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines that are angled this way. So we'll start here, and we're going to come straight down like that. And then we're going to do that again. Now you want to try to keep these two lines parallel, okay? Next, we're going to add another line. And the final line, like this anyway, that goes here. Now, we are going to add, just how we did the zigzag, we're going to do the same thing down here. So we'll go up, down, and then back up again. Now we can add the details of our map. Let's add the dotted line where we want to wind up. Where we're going to start and where we're going to wind up. So we can add these dashes like this, kind of showing the path that we're going to take to get to the buried treasure. We're making a treasure map. Let's see. And then here is where we put the X, because X marks the spot where the treasure is buried. Next, we're going to add in some zigzags for mountains. And then we'll add some curves for hills over here. And then let's add in a shape for some water over here. Let's make it a curvy shape like this. This is a map. What color will you make your map? Will you add extra details to it? Anything's possible with your imagination. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.